Most people are sleepwalking through their youth. They aren't necessarily lazy, they just haven't realized that the clock is already running. You probably feel like you're in a demo version of life right now. Like the real game doesn't start until you're 20 or 25. But the reality that the difficulty settings are at their lowest right now. And most people are just letting the timer run out. When people talk about self-improvement, they usually picture someone losing their mind, sacrificing sleep, cutting off friends, and living like a monk. That's a burnout trap. It's not about how much you grind, it's about where you actually headed. The average person spends their day in a loop, wake up, check the notification, lose for us to an infinite scroll, and play games until the day is gone. There's nothing wrong with entertainment. But when your day is just collection of digital distractions, you aren't relaxing, you're just drifting. Think about the leverage you have right now. You don't have a mortgage, you don't have a 9 to 5 draining your soul. You have a level of freedom that most people won't see again until they're 65. That's your goal's advantage. While everyone else is just consuming content, you could be the one creating it or mastering a craft that sets you apart. It doesn't take a massive life overhaul to change your trajectory. It's just about moving the needle slightly every day. If you just dedicated just a small window of time to something that actually builds your value, whether that's a technical skill, a side project, or just learning how the world works, or creating a gap between you and everyone else that eventually become impossible for them to get close. The most dangerous phrase in the world is I will do it later. Later is a place where nothing ever gets done. The version of you that exists in 5 years is being built by the bored, unmotivated version of you that exists right now. If you build a foundation of discipline today, you won't have to struggle for it tomorrow. You don't have to be perfect. You're going to mess up. You're going to waste some days. And you're going to fail at things. That's the part of process. But don't let the demo version end without actually playing the game. The difference between the people who end up ahead and the people who stay stuck isn't talent. It's the small, invisible choices they made when no one is watching. Most people scroll past this and forget it in 30 seconds. That's fine, but if you are the type of person who actually hates the idea of being average, then do something about it today. You only get to be this age once. There's no new game plus. One day, you will look back and realize the time is gone. The only question that matters is whether you use that time to build a life or if you just watch it pass by.